What if your everyday roti could give you more strength, better digestion, and balanced nutrition all at the same time? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that's a staple in almost every Indian household, atta. But not just any atta, we are talking about multigrain atta, a smarter choice for a healthier life. Unlike regular wheat flour, multigrain atta is made by blending two or more nutritious grains. This may include whole wheat, ragi, oats, barley, jowar, bajra, chana dal, or maize. Each grain brings its own unique health benefits, and together they create a powerful nutritional combination. Let's break down why multigrain atta is becoming a favorite in health conscious homes. High in fiber, helps improve digestion and keeps you full for longer. Rich in protein, supports muscle strength and overall energy. Low glycemic index, helps manage blood sugar levels. Packed with vitamins and minerals, iron, calcium, magnesium, and more. It's not just food, it's fuel for your body. Multigrain atta is perfect for families looking for everyday nutrition, people managing weight or diabetes, fitness lovers needing sustained energy, elderly individuals who need easy digestion. Basically, it's suitable for everyone who wants to eat healthy without compromising on taste. At Kisan Kaka, we have 7 types of multigrain flour which are scientifically balanced blend designed for health conscious individuals. First is high protein. Unlike standard wheat flour, this blend is fortified with soybean and moong, providing essential amino acid required for muscle maintenance. It also contains heart-healthy omega-3. This multigrain keeps you full on energy for long time and helps in managing blood sugar as well. It also improves your digestion. Then next is high fiber multigrain atta. It increases fiber content and support excellent gut health. High complex carbohydrate and fiber ensures a slow and steady release of energy. It diversifies your diet with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from traditional Indian grains like jowar and bajra. It is carefully formulated to deliver soft, pliable, and easy to roll rotis. Next, we have 5 grain starter pack. It's a perfect mix of whole wheat, ragi, jowar, bajra, and chana, freshly milled after your order to retain every bit of its natural goodness and aroma. Then we have another 5 grain multigrain flour. This is designed for those who want the health benefits of millets without compromising the softness and taste of their daily roti. With a dominant 80% base of MP Select Sarbati wheat, this blend is the easiest switch for families, picky eaters, and children who dislike the rough texture of heavy multigrain flours. Next is Sugar Control Multigrain Atta. Kisan Kaka's Sugar Control Atta is a premium, carefully formulated blend of ancient and modern grains, especially chosen for their low glycemic index and high dietary fiber content. This blend helps slow down the release of glucose, making it an ideal choice for managing blood sugar and supporting overall digestive health. Low gluten multigrain flour. Zero wheat or low gluten multigrain atta is a custom crafted 4 blend designed for those looking to reduce gluten and eliminate wheat from their diet without sacrificing texture. This blend relies on barley as its primary base 35%, which is famous for its high soluble fiber and cooling properties. Lastly, 7 grain multigrain flour. Premium 7 grain multigrain atta is a scientifically formulated blend that refuses to compromise on taste while delivering superior nutrition. Unlike market multigrain flour that often result in hard or dark rotis, this blend is built on a massive 70% base of MP Select Sarbati wheat. Kisan Kaka guarantees you for naturally grown, farm-sourced grains, no preservatives, chemicals, or artificial additives. Multigrain atta isn't limited to rotis. You can use it for parathas, puris, dosas, and chilas. A simple switch in your kitchen can make a big difference in your health. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, we often miss out on proper nutrition. Multigrain atta helps bridge that gap naturally and deliciously. So the next time you make rotis, choose health, choose strength, choose multigrain atta. Kisan Kaka multigrain atta means health assurance from farmer to kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy.